Okay. Back in 1967. 66, I fell in love with Joan. She was only 14 years old. But anyway, we fell in love in school, whatever that means, love, way back then. But this next video, this last video, 4 of 4, we're going to introduce you how long it took us to get a dream of owning a vineyard and living on a vineyard somewhere. What do you think, Joan?
Yes, right. A 59-year-old dream finally fulfilled.
Yes.
On Mount Etna.
Yes, it's fantastic. So, anyway, stay tuned. We're going to watch this video. I think you'll love it. It takes you all the way through to when we first met Andrea, first met Lord Donna and Orazio, and how we got going, right?
Yeah, and yeah, it's interesting.
We love it. I hope you do too.
I hope you love it.
Ciao.
Lover, you could take my hands and cover your eyes and tell me there's no other. Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? Praying to find the right one. Well, I love you, babe, with all my heart. Let us never ever be apart. Love carved in stone. Love carved in stone. That's me and my baby. Love carved in stone. From the very first moment I lay eyes on you, I knew I loved you and the love was true. Love carved in stone. Love carved in stone. That's me and my baby. Love carved in stone. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. I can't sleep until the morning rise. Baby, I can't sleep. Babe, I'm laying off the coffee. Babe, I'm going for a walk. Baby, feeling warm and fuzzy. Want you making me a log? It makes me weak. And baby, I can't sleep. I can't talk. No, I can't talk. Ain't nobody out there like us. There ain't no two stones the same. I'll be alright, 'cause I got you on my shoulder. I'll be alright. We'll settle down when we're older. We'll be alright. Somebody let some air in. It's getting hard to breathe. Won't somebody let some light in? It's getting hard to see. I'll be the great liberator and set somebody free. There's time to talk about it later. Come on, we gotta leave. I'll be alright when I got you there to hold me. I'll be alright. I'd slow down if you told me it'll be alright.
never came. Ain't nobody out there like us, or are we all the same? I'll be alright, 'cause I got you on my shoulder.
When all the family members gather, you can hear the caroling song with all Santa's little helpers. Can't wait for him to be along. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. Taking out the leaves from the crooked Christmas trees. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. For you, just to spend some good old time with my family. We got chestnuts slowly roasting to the voice of Nat King Cole. And when you're not really looking, I catch you underneath the mistletoe. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. It's the most wonderful time, wouldn't you agree? That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me.
For you guys, hope you enjoy it. And beer's always good too. Goes a little something like this by old Bobby Bear. Pour me another tequila, Sheila. Take off that red satin dress, 'cause I crossed the border and I beat the dealer for all of the gold in Juarez. I feel like old Pancho Villa, Sheila, and I've got the pesos to spend. So pour me another tequila, Sheila. Lay down and love me again. No, I can't tell you about it.
Salve. Un cappuccino. Per favore. Arrivederci.
Ciao.
Well, I never trusted in women. Sheila, I trust you tonight. So
Io sono Chloe. That means I'm Chloe in Italian. Good evening, honorable judges, fellow 4-Hers, and guests. Tonight I will tell you about Italy. In March, we're going to visit my great-grandparents in Italy. When we go there, we will eat pizza and spaghetti. We will also eat gelato and cornetos, which are croissants. We will visit the Colosseum. There are churches, statues, and fountains. In Italy, they grow lemon trees and olives. On the map, Italy is shaped like a cowgirl booth. Italy is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea. There is one city where the roads are water and they use boats to travel around. I'm looking forward to seeing my great-grandparents who live in Sicily, which is an island with a real-life volcano called Mount Etna. It is a good thing that the volcano, when it erupts, it is slow and doesn't reach the city. In Italy, they make wine, and my parents are going to drink a lot of it. I'm not excited for the plane ride because I get motion sickness and it's 10 hours long. But I am excited for pizza and gelato. In conclusion, I love Italy and can't wait to see it in real life. Grazie. That means thank you.
Sheila, oh, I screwed up there a little bit. Oh, Sheila, I wish you the best. I never trusted in women. But Sheila, I trust in you tonight. So pour me another tequila, Sheila, and I'll run for the border again. Yeah, pour me another tequila, Sheila, as I ride for the border again. Oh, pour me another tequila, Sheila, and we'll do it all over again.